So this is the Samadhivara Temple. This is the oldest temple in the complex. It was destroyed and rebuilt several times, over 1,000 years originally old. It is just beautiful. I think they are still practicing that. You can see the multiple shikaras. I think the Kalsha is new up there. And that's pretty much it. It's covered with statues as usual. Just beautiful. You can see the statues. Some of them have been broken up, but most of them are still standing, large ones. And then we have these gods and goddesses here, and then we have more stuff here. And then we have elephants here whose trunks have been destroyed. Then we have the lions. That's the bottom.
La tombe des copies des fleurs de lotus. Donc en bas, vous voyez le palier de fleurs de lotus comme ça, juste à côté. Ah oui. Lui, on voit les têtes de lion. On n'a pas les dragons ici. Les têtes de lion comme ça.
Just beautiful. You can see the statues. Some of them have been broken up, but most of them are still standing, large ones. And then we have these gods and goddesses here, and then we have more stuff here. And then we have elephants here whose trunks have been destroyed. Then we have the lions. That's the bottom.
La tombe des copies des fleurs de lotus. Donc en bas, vous voyez le palier de fleurs de lotus comme ça, juste à côté. Ah oui. Lui, on voit les têtes de lion. On n'a pas les dragons ici. Les têtes de lion comme ça.
These are all the elephants with the trunks gone. And then we have this other next layer, second layer.
Statue des rivières sacrées de l'Inde et la statue des divinités du Hindu.
Yes. And that's the front of the temple. And we have a small place here where Nandi is situated. That's what she saw. That's the okay, that's the front entrance. Passing the top of the main temple. That's the deity inside. I don't know whether I'm allowed to photograph, but I will do it. Samadhivara Temple. And that's the mandapa. Huge mandapa. Not very intricately carved, but it is what it is. It's quite tall. They put a fan on there. There's a shop lady selling stuff out there. Yeah, that's the top. Oh, this one. That's the... I don't know. So that's the pillars. Goddess inside. Samadhivara Temple, yeah. And yeah, it's nice. Great. So he said it's 11th century original statues. Three figures of Shiva.
Left side Brahma, middle Vishnu, right Shiva.
So that's the priest. Namaskar, sir. Chalo. इसको बंदी करना. The Nandi and the hills and the view from uh, the fort of the city of Chittorgarh. And you can see the fort right there. There's a pond here, down there. There's steep steps down there, and I don't think I can go. And there's another ancient temple out there, which seems to be modern, but it doesn't seem to be stone made.
What is it?
So that's the Ganesha here. More observers, and this is the front part of the shop. As usual, we have lots of statues. No elephants though. My elephants are missing. And there's an elephant with a whole trunk here again. The rest of them are no trunks. We got rid of all the trunks. No more temple trunks. Lots of people here. The Johar Stan. Oh. This is all is left of that. And that's another temple here. The Shikara is gone. Mandapa is still there. A lot of other temples which have been destroyed, just the bases are left. And another view of that. So, this is continuing in the fort, Chittorgarh Fort area. Wow, just collection of history. I don't know what. If nobody's coming here, but so I guess I'll go here. Yeah. Whoa. Look at that. That ceiling is just fantastic. You can see the temple here. Ancient temple which is locked away. And nobody here, and we can see the view of the victory stamp. With the Johar stamp right there. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful. Just craziness. More ancient temples here, destroyed. So, nobody looks at these temples, but they are also intricately carved. Look at them. We've got all these lion figures down there. And then we have a beautiful temple here. Let's see, it's just fantastic. So there's the ancient temple down there. Steps are very steep, and I am not willing to go down there. The temple looks, there's a Shiv temple there. Looks newer, so I don't want to go that side. The steps. This continues the destruction. And then just go and see this victory stump. All over the place here. Parts of the temple. And then we go here. This is the main gateway, I guess. The Ganesh statue which is destroyed. Definitely a Ganesh statue, which is not something without a lot of destruction. Lot of destruction. This is the gateway to the temple. And reception. This is the gateway. And the temple at the end.